Women's Day, it's something like something special to women because the struggle they have, how important they are, and Women's Day I take it and refer to my mother. The ups and downs that she went to. My inspiration to a woman is Winnie Madikizela Mandela. It's the one who feel the struggle and who put the women where they are now. What can I encourage to the women is that they can't take an abuse from the others, especially to the men. Now it's 50-50, we are equal. Yeah, that is what we can celebrate. Now we have the rights to say no, especially to the abuse.